to that building. We came all over from there and we are not even halfway yet. We have 75% left in our truck. So let's see. Bye. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಇದು? ನೋಡಿ Kheo Seong Nyang Gong by VC Nong Timai. This forest is a sacred forest that near the Khasi in the ancient days. Most of the people, they don't have any religion. They are more like nature worshipper. So they worship this forest. And also we believe there's a god or a deity. He's like the guardians of this forest. So that's why from this forest you're not allowed to take anything. Not even the leaf. So I think you all know Rudraksh. So Rudraksh, like the real one, it comes along with the fruit. The seed inside is the Rudraksh. Like this one.
Oh, this is a three-mukhi Rudraksh.
Yes. You know. This is actually a pine tree inside the forest. It's more than 300 years old. And also these pine trees, they don't have a leaf. So those leaves there, those are from a creeper or from another tree. Okay. But they have these tiny leaves. So the early stage of this pine cone, it's like a fruit. So if you eat it raw, it will cure cough. You know. But this one only for decoration. I think you have seen it. So this tree, this flower, it comes only in the month of March and April. It is red in color. In scientific name, it's called Rhododendron arboreum. That is the red one, because they have different color and also different species. Only this one they used to eat or they used to make jam, juice, even medicine for blood purification and also for diabetes. So that flower is a national flower of Nepal and the state flower of Nagaland. Only this red one, which it's edible. If you come here during March and April, then you will see the whole forest is red in color. It's because of these trees. These are part of a ritual place. Means like before they do the ritual, they will use this place as a preparation place. So they use this place as a preparation place because when they went on that place, they perform the ritual. They never come back in the same way.
I didn't get that.
No, like that. And this is a Taxus baccata tree. It is a tree that they make medicine for cancer.
Oh,
You know?
I've heard about it.
Taxus baccata.
Taxus bagata.
Taxus. Taxus.
Taxus.
Yes.
Okay.
So now the only place here in India, it's only in Kolkata that they make that
Yeah,
medicine.
correct.
But there's some place in your place in Bangalore. There's some community of people, I think, that they offer this tree to anyone who wants to plant this tree.
ಮಧು ನಿನ್ನ ತಪಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ವರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವೆ. ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಕೇಳಿಕೊ.
ಇಬ್ರು ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಧವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೆಸರು ಸೌಮ್ಯ. ಅವ್ರ ಮೌನವ್ರತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 days ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಂವತ್ಸರ ನಿನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ 100 years ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮೀ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್.
ತಥಾಸ್ತು ಭಕ್ತ. ಇನ್ನ 2 ವರಗಳಿವೆ, ಕೋರಿಕೊ.
ಇವ್ರೇನೋ ಮಿಡಿಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವ್ರನ್ನಿ ಸತ್ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ
ಅದು 3వ ವರ.
ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದಿರಿ?
ಎತ್ತಿಬಿಡಿ.
ತಥಾಸ್ತು ಭಕ್ತ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಕೋರಿಕೆ?
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ
ನಮಗೆ ಮಧು ಅವರು
ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಅಪಹಾಸ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಾರಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟ 2 ವರಗಳನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು
ನಮಗೆ
ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ
ಒಬ್ರು ಅವರು ಯಾರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಫಸಕ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು 100 years I am waiting for you. I beg you, I bend you. Please.
ಅಪಹಾಸ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹೀಯಾಳಿಸಿದ ಕಾರಣ ನಿನಗೆ
ದೇವಾ
ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲದ
ಸಂತೋಷ, ಸುಖ, ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಸಿಗಬಾರದೆಂದು
ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇ?
ದೇವರೇ ತಪಸ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಸೂಜಿಗಳಿಂದ ಚುಚ್ಚಲಿ ಎಂದು
Oh my God, already doing something.
ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ತದಾಸ್ತು. ತದಾಸ್ತು.
Keep one arm distance, sir. Keep one arm distance.
Welcome to MG Road of Shillong. This is a shopping area where we get all the brands, big brands. And you have other street where you get the local dresses. So let's go for a shopping now.
Go and talk now.